Hello everyone. Today we have Dr. Arpit Gupta, AIMS November 2018, rank 14. Arpit, first of all, congrats.
Thank you, sir.
It's a good rank. And what are your plans now regarding your NEET exam?
सर अभी तो फुल फोकस 14 डेज बचे
हाँ.
तो फुल फोकस नीट पे है.
Okay. And how you are taking this rank?
सर इट्स अ गुड रैंक बट इम्प्रूवमेंट का.
Improvement का scope था. Okay. And how many questions you have attempted?
सर मैंने 88
88 किए थे. Out of 90 you attempted 88 questions. Okay. And you are a regular best student?
यस सर रेगुलर बैच.
You have joined in month of November 2017.
Yes.
Have you attended all our classes?
सर ऑल क्लासेस.
And what was your reaction at this moment about the classes?
सर आई थिंक दे वर वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव. बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज स्प्रेड करते हैं एंड इक्वल वेटेज देते हैं सब चीज को. And they have covered almost everything from standard books.
Because like 130, 140 questions if they are from dental part, 100 questions approximately from medical part also.
Yes, sir.
And those things were also you were confident?
Yes, sir. I was confident. Yes, I have studied this and I will be able to mark.
Okay. And which classes you like the most till now?
Sir, I think oral surgery.
Oral
was
surgery.
The one.
Okay. And have you given our CBT exam?
Yes, sir. CBT I have also given.
And your rank in CBT?
The rank was 3.
Rank 3 in CBT. What was the good thing about CBT?
So it was like a revision and like pre-exam technique.
A simulation of how your exam is going to happen.
How I have to give for 3 hours, manage the time.
Yeah.
It was a good.
And have you find those the questions, like the topics which you have got and questions are framed newly?
Yes, sir. It was relatively similar and new topics were also.
Because previously the pattern was now that they used to ask some questions from the particular textbooks and guidebooks and all that. Now they have, the topic is still the same, but the question framing is new. And the student who has attended the topics, who has understood the topic,
Yes, sir.
he or she will have the better chances of
In
marking.
names, it was a lot of conceptual questions. If you have got the concept, you will definitely mark the answer correct.
Because the questions were, topics were same
Topics were same.
and the questions were new.
Yes.
Because if you have
absolutely new.
Absolutely new. All questions except 1 or 2, I guess, all questions
Yes,
were newly framed. And have you attended our DVT session?
Yes, sir. I have attended
DVT session 3 days.
3 days.
And the thing which you have introduced at the end, a test and discussion batch.
Sure.
So those test and discussion and DVT, have you found them helpful in?
Yes, sir. They always give a edge to us. All the new topics, the extra topics, which are important, mainly for AIMS also. They were all were covered in that.
And one thing I like to ask you that since day one we used to ask them to analyze your preparation, you need to give test.
Yes, sir.
Were you regular in giving your test?
Yes, sir. I was regular. I was giving all the class test and the SW test. Like the class has been done within the week or 2 weeks. I will give the exam.
Exam.
Give the test.
Okay. And grand test?
Yes, the grand test I have given. Like from the past 1 month, I have started giving.
You started giving grand test. After the syllabus is over, you have started giving the grand test and all that. Overall, if you see the scenario regarding the MCQs which now being framed as compared to the previous, the XYZ books are there in the market, do you find the chances of marking those questions correct are only when you know the topic?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
From the core?
If we have just read the MCQ book, the answers we have mugged up, it will not lead to anything above a rank of 100.
All subjects?
Sir, I think yes, medical is more or less more important for
More
us
important
because
now.
we haven't studied the medical part in so detail,
Yeah.
which is being asked in AIMS as well as in NEET.
The advantage of our classes is that we cover it exhaustively, not like a 5 hour, 6 hour of refreshment classes going on there.
Yes, sir.
It's like pharma is being covered approximately 40 to 50 hours.
Yes, sir.
Oral surgery was there again for 50 plus hours.
More, sir.
More than that. Even after that, we have given them discussions and visual treats and all that. Facebook club?
Sir, very important. If you have to be, you should be regular in that. You will get to know a lot of things.
Because all the 19 faculties are there.
Yes, sir. That's the great thing about it, that the faculties also respond within a day or two. They will definitely.
As we are the only academies in India which provide all the subject specialists. It is not like one person is covering 3 or 4 subjects or 7, 8 subjects or whatever XYZ is doing. The thing is that it's like making the person teach in which he is master.
Yes, definitely, it's a plus point because he has the knowledge of the particular subject. And
Because the student is not well versed with the topic, he is not going to mark the answer correctly. And ultimate thing which require in marking the answer is you need to understand the topic.
the concept should be
The concept should be clear.
definitely.
So overall, now you have exam after 2 weeks. Are you finding yourself a bit confident
Yes, sir.
that they are
Much
yes
more
I can
confident.
yes I can go for it?
Yes, sir. Much more confident after the aims as well as the CBT rank.
Yes.
I'm very confident. Like
Because overall and the analysis which you provide after the test also, it gives you that how much far you are from topper and how good you are performing as compared to the average students.
Yes.
If your score is going far, definitely you have an edge. So here we have Arpit Gupta, rank 14, AIMS number 2018. Arpit, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you are you will be able to be in under 10
Yes, sir,
in
definitely. I will
in a NEET rank. And here we have Arpit. Thank you.